Hi Leo and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of February 21 is going to be for you. Month of February 21 is the month where you let go of your blindfolds, where you connect with divine, where you connect with your inner self, where you move towards peace, where you rewrite your life, you rewrite your future, where you accept the things as they are, communicate really effectively and well, and let go of any of the heartbreaks, thoughts, or anything that is keeping you stuck. Now, this is the month where you need to not think a lot but act. So this is the month of not analyzing things but acting upon things. Yes, the act or the pace of the month can be slow, but it is going to give you a lot of stability. It is going to give you a lot of big changes and the more abundance or independence or money flowing into your life. If we start with your health, from your health perspective, I kind of feel that this month can give you problems with related to headaches. So migraine, headaches, eyes, or another thing that could be if you're not active, if you're not taking care of your lower body, like you're not walking properly, if you're sitting too much for too long hours, if you're standing for too long hours, then it can give you a problem with your legs or like the aches in your spine and legs. Otherwise, or shoulders as such. Otherwise, if you actually take care of yourself and if you keep your body and mind both active and positively active, then this month is going to go well for you. Another thing for your mental health, I would say that this is the month where you be at peace with yourself, where you don't let things kind of weigh too much on you. Don't get indulged into one thought and keep yourself indulged into that thought and kind of think about all the emotions that come along with that thought. So this month, to put less stress on your heart, keep your heart balanced, keep your mind balanced, and if you actually keep your emotions and heart balanced, then this month will go fine for you. Another thing that I kind of see is that this month there could be some problem or some ailment from the past that might come back, but that is not coming because life needs to punish you or kind of give you an ailment. It's happening because you're not giving your body enough rest, and probably now your body is saying that okay, now I need rest, give me rest. So that is the reason why you can face some kind of issue or health trouble where you'll need to be on bed for a while or taking rest, and all of this can actually be avoided if you don't think a lot, if you don't keep analyzing, if you be active this month. If we talk about your money perspective or the wealth perspective, there is Sun card, there is 7 of Pentacles, there is 9 of Pentacles. I wouldn't worry about the money situation in your life. There is Wheel of Fortune as well. But I would say that you will need to have patience. So this month, the investments that you've already made will give you some kind of results, but you will have to have patience. Growth, though, there will be steady growth, but there will be slow growth. But yes, there will be growth. If you see 5 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles is a card of independence, is a card of money, it's a kind of card of peace. But there's a small snail who's walking past this area, and that is because the pace might be slow, but you'll have all the money, you'll have everything that you need this month in your life. The only thing is you need to make some decisions, and also you need to be active, not keep on thinking about stuff. If we talk about your relationship wise, this is a month where you're going to let go of this blindfold. So if your relationship, you're going to take some decisions. So it feels like if your relationship was not working, it was a pain, it was confusing, it was not clear, there were all emotions all around, but there was no clarity with how this relationship is going. You can take two paths. Either you can choose to let go of this relationship, or you can choose to communicate, say what you want, and clear this relationship out. Both ways it is going out to work really well for you, and that is why this month it is important to have clear communications. It is important to kind of clearly speak your mind. It is important to accept the things as they are. It is important to not indulge into too much drama, but really take action and move forward. So communicate what you want to communicate your emotions, say the things that you need to say, and move forward with your relationships. That's going to be better for you. If there is a relationship that has been a burden on your heart, let go of that this month. Also, in terms of proposing somebody or in terms of marriage, this is a positive month. You can propose somebody if you want, because there is a Sun card in the beginning. The only thing is you need to take action. You need to say. If you've been thinking and if you continue thinking about it, you might just lose this opportunity. There's a possibility of marriage as well. If you actually talk about it or speak it out, if you're continuously only thinking, then you will not see it happening. So this is the month to make judgments, to make decisions, to announce what you want to announce, to say things that you've been thinking about, and to act upon things that you've been thinking about. So take your relationships to next level. If you're thinking about a baby, this is again a positive month for that. The only thing is you will need to take care of your health, you will need to take proper rest, and you will need to accept the changes in your life. So this is the month where you can actually rewrite your life, like I said, because there's Wheel of Fortune, everything is going in circle, and the circle is going to be complete. So this month you have that opportunity to kind of rewrite your relationships as well as to how you want them to be, and that will only happen if you don't keep on thinking but acting. If we talk about your job or work, again, this is the month where if you are into authority, then be very clear about what you want to say, how do you want to say it, don't let emotions come in between, and express yourself very, very clearly. So that is the way this month authority or communication should happen. Don't keep on thinking as to, even if it's something which is difficult to say, don't keep on thinking, say it, express it. If you have somebody who's in authority over you, like your boss or anybody who's a little tough or a little bossy, or kind of doesn't let you speak much, this is the month where you don't get into that emotion that it doesn't let me speak, or she doesn't let me speak, or she doesn't understand, or he doesn't understand me. This is the month where you take those instructions, because there is something for you in those instructions. Don't take it to your heart, don't kind of invest your emotions into it. Think very practically, and when you think practically, you will be able to communicate effectively, and when you communicate effectively, the other person is going to listen to you as well. If you're thinking about growth in your work, in your job, there is a possibility of growth, but there is also, because there's a card of heartbreak and there is a card of Four of Swords, there could be that growth comes after a heartbreak, or there could be that the growth that you've been thinking about might come in the period of next 10 months, over 10 months to you, and not immediately, but there is growth and independence, though there is slow growth. This opportunity that might come your way, and there is Sun card, so definitely there is opportunities there. The only problem is you might think that you don't deserve this opportunity, or you don't have the skills for this opportunity, and you might not take this up. So this month, don't deny an opportunity, take the opportunity. If you are into a business, this month you can go for partnership, but only go for partnership if you are completely comfortable and you know where you're moving, know who the partner is, and know that you can be emotionally stable with this person being your partner. Now this could be a three-way partnership, but the cards are saying that because you have a possibility to grow independent as well, and that is why choose this partnership only if you really want to choose and you're clear. And second, if you choose a partnership, be very clear about the contract, the agreement, the kind of terms, and say the things that you want to say. Express yourself. You might be surprised on how your things or your terms are being accepted, but you need to kind of express it. That's going to be important. If you're looking forward for some kind of investment in your business, that will also come, and some results will also come for your business. Some new opportunity might also come in your business, but the point is you accept it and you move forward with it, taking action. That is going to be important. If we talk about your soul path, this month patience is very important. Connecting with your inner self, letting go of all the doubts that you have on yourself. This month it is very important to be on your soul path, where you have the ability to rewrite your future, your life. Very important that you connect with your inner self, connect with your guides, connect with your angels, and you let go of this energy where you don't believe in yourself, where you feel emotionally troubled, or where you feel that you don't have the ability. When you believe in yourself, these blindfolds are going to be off. You're going to see things much more clearly. You're going to connect with your guides, and you're going to be in a zone or in a space where you actually heal from all your past emotional problems. And that is why soul growth is going to be there, undoubtedly, slowly but gradually, but it will require action from your end. If we talk about chakra of the month, the chakra of the month for you is heart chakra. Heart chakra is located here in the center of your chest, and the mantra for heart chakra is Yam. Ensure to do this chanting every month. Now for the mental exercise of the month, I have two cards. The one card is man holding heart, and then second is a thinking woman. Now this is your masculine and feminine energy, or this is basically covering all male and female people equally, and all genders equally. And these cards are basically saying that this month it is very important where one, you know, or you kind of keep yourself emotionally balanced. Two, it is equally important to know where you're moving, equally important to kind of use your intuition, your passion, have patience, and act, move forward. The first affirmation of the month for you is going to be, I'm comfortable with all my emotions. I honor and express them in appropriate ways. I feel at peace. This is going to be the first affirmation for you. The second affirmation is, I open my mind and heart to my inner wisdom. I am thoughtful, focused, and clear. Now, this is your second affirmation, and this you can add to the affirmations that I allow myself to use my skills to move forward towards growth and take action towards the positive growth in my life and abundance in my life. This is an add-on that you can do to your affirmations. The surrender card of the month for you, the first card says surrender fear. It says let go of the fearful stories that you've been telling yourself. Stay in the moment, focused on the solutions, and celebrate every baby step you take forward. And that is what this month is about, moving forward, taking steps forward, and not really continual thinking or being in fear. You don't have to. The second card is surrender to effortlessness. It says stop pushing so hard. The art of living means going with the flow instead of trying to force the river. And that is why this month it is important that you go with the flow and don't think that you need to change anything, or you need to kind of you don't have it in you. Don't think that. Surrender to your full power is the third card. It says your life is calling you to step in your full power rather than playing it small. Don't play it small this month. Don't doubt yourself this month. If you don't doubt yourself, you will see big changes happening. Your unicorn message again is a beautiful message. It says aspiration. It says you are unlimited. So aim at the stars, and whatever you aim at, you can actually get through that. So please aim at the stars, believe in yourself, and don't doubt yourself. Number of the month, I'm going to give you two numbers, number 4 and number 1. 4 number is the foundation, 1 number is the beginning. So if you actually kind of make a new foundation for yourself, believing in yourself, you will have a new beginning. Color of the month, any shade of green, silver, or brown is going to be good for you. What will happen if you follow the advice of the cards, and what is the angel message? The card is the Lovers. It says make choices from your heart, deeply emotional commitments, the power of love. And that is why your cards are saying that this month, don't keep analyzing, make choices, don't doubt yourself, move forward. And when you move forward, there are judgments, there are going to be big changes, big shifts, big decisions. You're moving towards a new path. You're going to leave old behind, and it's going to work out wonderfully well for you. This month I'm taking live card for each of the signs. So let's see what comes out for yours. Okay, there are many. I'll read all of them to you. So this first, which is King of Cups, then there is 9 of Wands, then there is 5 of Pentacles, and the Moon. So it beautifully elaborates the whole thing, the whole story, that you need to move past your emotions. You need to stop being worried about the steps that you're taking and being fearful about it. The help and support is all around you. You need to ask for it. And when you let go of your fears, when you connect with your energy, when you connect with positive, when you know where you are, when you connect with the light and don't let your emotions overpower you, that is the time when you get into that power where you change everything for better and you move to the new beginnings. So that is the month for you, action, moving forward. If you want to understand more about how you connect to your intuition, or how you can let go, or how you can be more positive, or how you can connect with guides in this month, there's a possibility you might see repeated numbers. So what those numbers mean, you can go on to my channel. There are multiple videos in different playlists. You can watch those videos, and if they are helpful, or if you find them helpful, leave the comment, and also share those videos with everyone that you can. If you want to know more than this, you can connect with me through the Facebook link that is provided in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write, I need my reading. I'll share my number with you. We'll take it forward from there. If you like the video, please press the like button. It makes the video searchable. If you like the video, also leave the comment and share it with as many people as you can. Subscribe the channel if you have not done already. I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.